Hi folks, it's Ron with Ideal Industries. You know, our best of class SureTrace circuit tracers here have actually just gotten better. And if you're tracing electrical wiring in a building or really any kind of cabling in a building, you know what a challenge that is as a contractor. Our model number 61-955, 61-957, or 61-959 here are the next generation of circuit tracers used for identifying circuits throughout a building and help troubleshoot issues much more efficiently and much more effectively. Now, if you'd like to learn more about these circuit tracers, you can find them on our website and find out how you can actually purchase one. Now, tracing wire effectively throughout a building and finding a breaker back in a panel or a fuse back in a panel, it's all about generating a very strong broadcast signal you can put on a conductor that you can find using a receiving unit here. And by generating a very strong broadcast antenna using the proper techniques that are outlined in the instruction manual that comes with the tracers, and having a very sensitive receiving unit here, pinpointing conductor and or its location or path is a lot quicker and a lot more accurate. Now the key here is three things. One is the transmitting unit here puts out a very strong signal compared to what you'll find in other tracers. Plus the frequency of that signal is much higher as well. So it's going to pass through objects easier like floors and walls. And the receiving unit here is very sensitive, and it has a resolution from 0 to 99. It doesn't have like 5 little LED lights that might indicate signal strength, and it's very accurate and very strong. And so, but just by moving it a little bit, you can quickly tell if you're getting closer to or farther away from this conductor that has the transmitted signal on it. Now, we've also helped you out with the bigger, brighter organic LED display on the front of it that can be seen really in about any lighting environment you're going to be in. And it also rotates for you based on how you're actually holding the receiving unit. And it will indicate to you the signal strength the receiver's getting, the battery life on it, whether you're on an energized or de-energized circuit, and it also tell you what sensing mode you have to be in as well. And all that will simultaneously be displayed on the 959 model. Now, these circuit tracers can be used on either energized or de-energized circuits from 0 to 600 volts, AC or DC, and can be used on electrical wiring or any low voltage wiring throughout a building, behind walls, floors, and ceilings. And you're even good to go on that 40 volt phase-to-phase circuit because the transmitting unit here has a Cat 3 rating to it that's good up to 600 volts. Now, these tracers are really designed to trace wires behind walls. However, the signal strength off the transmitter is really strong and can pass through concrete and out into the asphalt parking lot as well. And the receiving unit here is very sensitive and can help you locate partial short between two conductors that have burned through, even if it happened to be several feet into the ground. So whether you're tracing electrical wiring, alarm wiring, doorbell wiring, even copper piping, as long as it's electively conductive, you can transmit a signal down it that we can find using receivers. So whether you're working on a de-energized datacom circuit, a low voltage alarm circuit, or 120 volt, or even up to 400 volt three-phase motor circuit, this one kit has all the components in it you'll need to effectively start tracing those cables. So contact our customer service department if you'd like to learn more about finding a distributor nearby you. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. I'm Ron with Ideal, and I'll plan on seeing you on the next one.